This is Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and today I'll show how you can check if your phone is authentic or counterfeit. So to start, I recommend that you take the phone itself, also the box you got it in. On the phone, open dial pad or keypad, to be particular. Input the *#06# secret code. Here you'll find IMEI 1 and IMEI 2 numbers. So compare those numbers here with the IMEI 1 and IMEI 2 numbers you have on your box at the sticker that it should have. I'm not sure how well my focus works, to be perfectly honest, because I'm afraid I will need to change the focus manually. But anyway, here at the sticker you can see that IMEI 1 and IMEI 2 phone numbers, so compare those numbers you see at the sticker with the ones that you've checked on your screen or you've opened on your screen, and if both of them correspond to one another, that is already a good sign that most probably you indeed own an authentic Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Before I close this window, let me copy either of the IMEI numbers, or I can do that here, right? That's fine. I'll just take a screenshot and leave it for later. Another way to confirm the authenticity of your phone is to once again open the keypad and here input the *0*. And this test mode appears. So if you have this test mode as well, that also means that most probably your Samsung Galaxy is authentic, because it's hard to counterfeit the test mode. So here you can also actually check it and see if all those things work. As you can clearly see, mine do work and they work perfectly fine. Everything, as you can see, all the modules, I will not go one by one and confirm all of them, but so far you can already see that everything works. And the third and last method to confirm the authenticity of your phone is to run a check of its IMEI number. So let's go into gallery and open the screenshot I took earlier. Is there any chance I can select it? Yes, great. So now let's copy the IMEI number, then open your preferred browser app, go into IMEI.info or go at IMEI.info webpage, then paste your IMEI number into this text field, perform the CAPTCHA check. Please click an object commonly found inside the example object, so the interior of the house probably, yep. Now let's check it, and as you can see, it gets back to us with correct details. So this is indeed the Galaxy S24 Ultra. You can also compare all those specifications here to be even more sure. But anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.